Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on Messenger app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you will enter to Messenger app here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.